Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. By the time this video comes up, my homecoming ride series will be over and I'm sure you guys must have enjoyed it. For those of you who have not seen it yet, I'll leave the link of the first part over here and you can go follow the entire series. And I'm back in Jaisalmer. In today's video, we're gonna start with one unboxing. Well, this is the helmet I've been using so far and it's still in an okay shape. The layer of the leather, I don't know, leather or resin, is coming off from here. I lost the cover which comes here right at this place. So guys, this is the package. I've ordered this helmet again from spartanprogear.com. Yeah, my previous helmet, this one was also an empty helmet. I think under 10,000 rupees, empty helmets are the best helmets which are available here in India. I did try LS2 also, but you know the problem with LS2 is that they only offer one size. It was a little too big for my head size. That helmet did cost me somewhere close to 4,700 and this one has costed me around 6,500 rupees. So let's open it up and see how the helmet looks. So this is one packing. Inside of this, wow, I like it. I really like it. So this is the original packing, as you can see. And yeah, let's now open it up and see how it looks. Alright. So that's the invoice. Oh, I wonder if you have. So this is all for the boxes. So guys, this is the bag in which it comes, and as you can see, it already gives out the hint what color scheme I've ordered. I've ordered a red and black one. It looked quite good on the screen. Let's see how it looks. Up front, close and person. Oh yes. Guys, look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Wow. Wow, I love it.